Well, as you have changed your location and you have, as I have mentioned, that you have used the location of USA or UK as per the marketplace which you are researching. So the first thing you should know is the product search page. So let's go live and I will show you there. Okay guys, we have landed on the Amazon first page. So let's type something here like garlic peel. Okay, yeah, garlic peel. So you can see here, this is the Amazon product search page. Now you should be completely understanding each of the thing mentioned here, these tabs here on the site. So we'll be discussing each of them stepwise. So as I have told you that I will take this course from the basic to the advanced. Okay guys, so here is the slide in front of you, and you can see here when you type something, Amazon will suggest you some of the keywords and phrases, and it will drop down some of the keywords in front of you. So this is Amazon auto suggest, this is the Amazon search bar, and we will be watching it live as well. Here is the filters options, where you can filter all the items. Like these filters are basically for the buyers to find their specific product for which they are searching, but you can use it for hunting as well. So let's go live. So here is the Amazon search bar. Okay, I have clicked it here, and you can see here is a drop down in front of me, and I have installed extension here which is called Amazon Suggestion Expander. Here you can see my click, Amazon Suggestion Expander. So this suggestion expander we basically use for hunting, and we'll be discussing these tools later on. But you can see Amazon has, these are the Amazon auto suggestions that Amazon has provided us. So this is Amazon search bar. Here you can see the filters on the left of the page. So you can you can use these filters as per our criteria. Okay, like we want some products between $7 to $35, so we can put that criteria here. And if we want to global store, so we can use all of these filters as per our criteria. So basically we should know all the interface of Amazon. Here you can see these are written sponsored. As I have written garlic peel and I clicked on the search, so first of all I have like the Amazon bring in front of me these ads. These are the sellers and the listings which are sponsored. Basically these sellers, the sellers of these listings have paid Amazon to show them on the top. Okay, so Amazon is showing all of them on the top, but there is something that Amazon is mentioning, that they are sponsored. They are not organically ranked here, they are sponsors. So after these four, you can see these products. You cannot see here written sponsored. So these are basically the products, the listings that are ranked organically on the first four, the top four positions, and so on. So this was the product search page of Amazon. Here in the slide you can also see that I have highlighted these sponsored. So these are basically Amazon sponsored ads. And here in the slide you can see, I will show you live there as well. These are the results. What are these results? Let's go live and I will explain it there. Here the results are shown 296 results. So what does this mean? This means that for this garlic peel keyword that I have written here and I have searched, for this garlic peel keyword there are 296 listings which are ranked on Amazon. Okay, 296 listings are competing for this keyword here, garlic peel. So these are the results. Okay, there are 296 garlic peel items, like sellers, listings that are selling the product of garlic peel. So they have targeted this garlic peel keyword.